Hi everybody. Today I wanted to do an unboxing for a bag that's from a new to me company. It's called Lamb Leather Goods. Lamb is the last name of the family who started the business just this year. So let's take a look. Nice heft. This is going to be the Bennett tote in timber. Bennett bucket. So I'm pretty excited about this. I'd love to support small business, and I also support big business. I support all kinds of businesses. Nice wrap job on this. Oh, look at this beauty, folks. Don't be jealous. These are hard to come by. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so another thing, other than solid brass hardware and the solid rivets, she hand stitches everything. And as I said, full grain leather. And check out, we've got some nice rolled edges at the top, which is awesome. I really like that look. But she also believes in using one full piece of leather for this, because we both have learned over the years that the more seams you have, those are the weak points on any bag. And so you want to have as few pieces of leather on your bag as possible for the construction of the actual bag. Of course, you've got an extra piece here to rivet on. She also said she doubled up and put an extra piece across the bottom just for some extra support. And as you can see, we've got a super cute tassel. So this is really nice hardware. Look at that, nice little lobster clasp. I think that's called the lobster clasp. That must be the strap. Some of her bags, I've noticed that she does do her patch logo on the outside. I'm a patch logo on the inside kind of gal, and I'm very excited that this bag has that, even though that is a super cute little logo. Lamb Leather Goods. Look at that. Cute. Really nice hanging pocket there. Beautiful interior. This is really nice leather. Let's take a look. It's supposed to have some nice pull-up to it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, be jealous, folks. It's a beauty. So check them out. Lamb Leather Goods. She has a webpage on Shopify. She has a couple of Instagram accounts, and also you can find her on Facebook. Or I should say find them. I believe the whole family is involved. Oh, let's take a look at the strap first before I close this. This is a buffalo leather strap. Beautiful. Again, awesome hardware. It's a beaut. I love it. Thanks, Heidi. Thanks everybody for watching.